So the other day I got a box full of bits, and in that box was this, amongst other things, which is a Laile Beatrush aluminium footrest for the Evo. So I thought, why not have a go at installing it? So I've already made a start on the job because I was just umming and ahhing whether I wanted to install it or not. And obviously the seats are out and other things are out because I'm doing other things, but there is the original footrest here. And this is just held in with two plastic sort of nuts really, and you can just pull this out. You don't really need to unscrew it. Mine just came straight out, but if you need to unscrew it, it's just a case of taking this bottom cover off here with a screwdriver and then just getting a screwdriver to the nut, so to speak, inside, and then just turning it counterclockwise until you get it free, because those are the threads that it sits on there. So to fit this, it came without any bolts or nuts or kit because it was in a box. It's just 4 holes, and I've worked out where I need those holes to be. So I've made 2 holes. You can see them there. One is near to the bottom thread, and then the top one is up there. So that's going to be the position, and then need to make a hole here, need to make a hole here. And then that should be it done, and then obviously we can just get the holes made in the carpet and get the thing mounted up. I was contemplating using nutserts for this. Apologies that I'm wearing lots of clothes. It is now 10 degrees in the garage because it's kind of Swedish autumn winter, and it's getting a bit cold. I was going to use nutserts, and to be honest, I may end up using nutserts, but the reason why I haven't used nutserts is because right where the footrest sits is where the fuel lines run underneath the car, so be very careful when you're drilling through. I've drilled 4mm holes and I'm going to use 5.5 screws in there, probably like 16mm screws. Black screws, but be very careful when you're drilling through that you don't go through your fuel lines, because that's not fun. I'm going to replace my fuel lines at some point, so I thought when I do that, then I'll probably use some nutserts and do the job more securely and permanently. But for now, screws are absolutely fine and will hold it in place perfectly. So let's get the little holes drilled, and then we can get the carpet back down and just get the footrest on. Dead quick and easy video today. Okay, so holes drilled, carpet back in place, footrest put in place. All I need to do now is just put the screws in through the carpet and kind of feel for the holes and tighten it up, and that's it. Like I say, I'm going to nutcert this at some point in the future, but this will do absolutely fine for now. If you want to put some some thread lock or something like that onto the screws, that'll probably help them sort of stay torqued and tight going into the metal, through the metal in the car. But yeah, just be careful with drilling those holes on the right hand side because of the fuel lines. Yes. And there we go, that is it. 4 screws into place, all secure, all looking good. Job done. Thank you for watching.